Hello, students. Today we're going to read the chapter The Tiger King, written by Kalki. So, first of all, I'm going to tell you the summary of this chapter. It is a story of a king who came to be known as the Tiger King. He was told by the astrologers that his death would come from a tiger. The king was not at all afraid to hear this. He had numberless forests in his state, with many tigers in them. One day he went on a tiger hunt. He was very excited when he killed his first tiger. He sent for the street astrologer and said, "What do you say now?" The astrologer said, "Your Majesty may kill 99 tigers in the same manner, but you must be careful with the 100th. Now the king vowed that he would attend to all other matters after killing the last tiger. The killing of each tiger gave him great joy. After he had killed 70 tigers, no tigers were left in his own forest. Now he married a girl from a royal family. He started hunting the tigers in the forest of his father in law. But at last it seemed impossible to find the last tiger, the 100th tiger. The king was very angry. The Diwan had to arrange for a tiger from some people's park. It was an old and sickly tiger. There was a great celebration when this tiger was killed. A few days later, the king decided to celebrate his son's third birthday. He got for him a wooden tiger. Both the father and son played all day with that little toy. All over it there were tiny slivers of wood. One of these passed the Maharaja's right hand. He pulled it out and continues to play with the prince. Next day, infection developed in the king's right hand. In 4 days, it spread all over the arm. Three famous surgeons decided to operate on the king. When they came out after the operation, they said the operation was successful. The Maharaja is dead. Thus, the last tiger, the 100th tiger, took its final revenge upon the Tiger King. So, students, we come to know that how the Tiger King met his end. It was the third birthday of the Maharaja's son. So far, King had no time to spare for his son. He had given all his mind to tiger hunting, but now he wanted to give his son a special gift. Finally, he found a wooden tiger in a toy shop. The wooden toy, it had been made by unskilled carpenter. It had tiny slivers all over its surface. One of these passed the Maharaja's right hand. He pulled it out, but infection developed in the king's hand. In 4 days, it spreads all over the arm. Three famous surgeons decided to operate, but the Maharaja is dead. So we can see the 100th tiger literally becomes the cause of Maharaja's death. So student, this is the summary of this chapter, The Tiger King, written by Kalki. Read this summary again and again, and then chapter will be taught to you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.